Hello everyone, Kamil here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making project today. So today we are doing a soap called Chipotle Pear based on the fragrance oil. So that is the fragrance oil we are using. It's Chipotle Pear. It says that it has mild acceleration, but no rising, no other problems. Now we are going with a design that has layers, and then I'll try to do a textured layer. That means when I pour the layer, I do some texturing with the spoon, and then I pour the yellow layer. So we will do green and then yellow and then green again. And this portion will stay for the piping. It has some titanium dioxide as well, so it's gonna be a white piping. And then at the end, we will be putting a gumball on top. For the colors, I use Full Throttle from Nurture Soap for the yellow and Force of Nature from Nurture Soap for the green. The fragrance I showed you, so I have it measured here, so I will be adding it as I go. So that's the project for today. I will not keep talking much. I will start working. So we will start with the first green layer. We have the lye water mixed in, ready to be poured once this is mixed. So although the fragrance says it accelerates, but I'm sitting here, I was waiting for almost 7 minutes, 8 minutes I guess, for this to set up, and it's still a little bit runny. So I will go ahead and try to texture it so that when we pour the second layer, we have some texture in between. So I'm using the small color spatula, I call this one, to create kind of base for the next layer to go in. And as a result that the fragrance is not accelerating, I will go ahead and add all the fragrance into the batters now. So this is good. So I have a little bit for the piping. I always be on the safe side with the piping, put less, that's better. And then we will move on to the next layer, which is the yellow. I'll mix it. This is the yellow. So I was waiting for this to set up so I can texture it and do a layer, and then it's taking forever, to be honest, although I stick blend it longer. So I decided, why don't I go with a drop swirl, a very superficial drop swirl. So I hope it looks nice, and I think it will look nice. Then oops. So we'll see tomorrow what we get after that. So for now, I'll bring you back when we pipe the top. I'll just finish this layer and then we do the piping. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the Chipotle Pear Soap by Morfosoaps. We will cut it tomorrow. Until then, take care. Hello guys, so this is the next day and we're cutting this soap. This is the Chipotle Pear Soap by Morfosoaps. Now, I hope I don't cut through the gumballs. I think one of them it did, but that's fine. That's perfectly fine. This one, we'll look at it now. So this is how it looks like. I like how it turned out. I remember with this one I struggled with the batter. It took a long time for it to settle, and then I started doing the drop swirl instead of doing just layers. And the first layer, when we were structuring it, it made like a slope. Anyways, so this is our soap for the week. Until next week, I'll see you with another soap making video. Until then, you take care of yourselves, you stay safe and positive, keep smiling. Bye for now.